Hi, good afternoon. We are with Mr. H.S. Nikla, Managing Director of Precision. They are manufacturing in India and they are making India products are exhibited in IMTEX. We would like to know from Mr. Nikla more about their exhibit here.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Nikila here from Precitech, Precision Machineries Private Limited. Precitech is our proper brand name. We are there in the industry for last 38 years. We have been manufacturing in India some of the most challenging machine tools. We are very proud of it. Many of them have been in import substitute, and today making in India impetus is a great boost for us. And we are proud that we have ventured into product-based very good machine tool products now. We are doing a lot of specials earlier, which continues. Today we have displayed our horizontal boring machine, 110 spindle, which is one of the very few such machines being made in developed in India of this size. This is having the latest technology, which is benchmarked with many of the best in the Europe, and we are very proud to say that we have achieved almost the performances which are very much comparable or sometimes better. And we have used some of the latest technologies which the customers will benefit a lot from that. And we have been targeting for this machine customers from various industry segments like power, energy, aerospace, defense, railways, who would be the key customers for these machines. And we are one of the very few people who are able to, in SME sector in India, who have invested so much on R&D. We have built this machine without any customer, just for the with the challenge what we have taken up to build such big machines which are really expensive, and our huge R&D investment is going with these kind of machines. And we are very proud that we are doing this because of our background what we have and the confidence what we have in building such big machines. Some of the bigger, in fact we have built bigger machines with strokes of even 9 meters by 3 meters by 1 meter, horizontal moving column milling machines, floor boring machines. We have built vertical lathe, which we have displayed a smaller machine now, 800 size, but we have the entire range starting from 500 dia, 630, 800, which we have displayed this time with a box ram, and heavy duty is meant for railway wheels or wheel industry and very heavy duty cutting. Then we have also 1200 table dia, 1600 table dia, large VTLs and turn mills. We specialize in giving very high performance turn mills, and we have also displayed at the back lot of machines what we have built so far. Some of them are very amazing machines, very important for the country. One of them is the biggest lathe probably in the country, which is having a 6.3 meter swing and 20 meter long admit between centers, and for its jobs weighing as high as 200 tons can be machined. 200 tons can be machined on this machine without even supporting on steadies. We also have displayed probably one of the very few machines we ever built in India totally, that is moving column floor boring machine, which is having strokes as high as 9 meters by 3 meters. The ram is a 160 spindle ram, which can come out 1.3 meters, and also the spindle can come out 800. And we have developed machines for turbine manufacturing, which are in situ milling machines, and various other products. So we had a very interesting IMTEX this year. Lot many customers, known customers, some new have all come in and seen the technologies what we have developed, and they have a lot of interest and positive inquiries coming in. We hope quite a few of them would be closed during this year. Thank you.
Thank you. Wish you all the best, sir.